Oh my gosh. Good morning, girls. Happy Easter, girls. What did he give you?
New toothbrush. It's Cinderella.
He listened yesterday, didn't he? Oh, a whole big chocolate candy bar.
It is for marshmallows.
He made a little bit of a mess, didn't he?
Oh, goodness.
What is this?
That, Daddy, that's called badminton. That's a fun game. You get to see how they're playing. See that right here? Yeah.
Hey, what happened to our eggs?
What did he do with those eggs?
I don't know. He take them out. I found another one.
Get it?
There's one out there. I don't need a coat to walk out there.
Yeah, we'll probably put a coat on, sis.
Oh, we'll put a coat on, some socks, and some boots.
There's one right there on our rock.
How did that Easter bunny do that? What kind?
Hey!
Oh. Reva Joe, what does the Easter bunny have like Santa? What do the Easter bunny and Santa have in common? They both are, oh my goodness. Reva Joe,
What?
what did you tell me at 4 o'clock this morning when you woke up? The Easter bunny and Santa both have what?
Maggots.
That's right.
Hey.
You might want to put all those eggs in your bucket.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Hey, what?
He did listen to you, didn't he?
Yeah.